Okay, let's learn our alphabets. All right, let's sign the letter A. As you can see, it's a fist. The letter A. Palm out. A. This could be a review for you. If it's a review, you can go through it pretty fast. We are gonna probably go to it a little bit fast. B. Oops, let's go back. C. C. Make sure your fingers are together. D. Fingers pointing up. D. E. You can have it in the picture, it has the fingers resting on the thumb, but you can also have it up like this with the fingers bent, kind of like crunch them in. E. F. Letter F. You can spread your fingers apart. Actually, this is a little bit more acceptable. You can, in the picture, it's going like this, but this to me is a little bit more acceptable. I've seen a lot of people sign F, but it can also be like this, F. Whichever's easiest for you, like E is like this and like this, whichever's easiest. Now G, they're showing you this way, but you have the palm facing in. This is your palm. So when you make G, it should be facing towards you, but it looks like this. Your fingers should be bent down with your thumb and your pointer finger out, extended. G. H is 2 fingers. Again, it's showing you like this, kind of going like this, but with me, a little bit easier. You can just put your thumb on your 2 fingers, go H, and your palm should be facing in. H. Remember the H. I. Point it up, not to the side, not to this side. Point straight up, just like you would draw an I with a dot on top. I for ice cream. That sounds good. I want some ice cream. J. Take a J and draw it. J. Just like in the sky. Start at the top, go down and curve. J. You want to start with the palm out. Remember, go down and curve. J. Good job. I can't see you, but I can. You're going to be showing me how you sign it. K. Hit 2 fingers up. Put your thumb in the middle. This is K. Like for kangaroo. K. And next, L. You see the L? It looks like the letter L. It's shaped like L. L. Next one, M. So you want to take that thumb, take 3 fingers and place the 3 fingers over the thumb. And that's M. You have 3 fingers over the thumb. This is important because the letter A, the thumb is on the outside, and M, the thumb is in the inside with 3 fingers over it. Next is N. Take that thumb, place it under the N, the 2 fingers. And it kind of looks like the letter N a little bit, but it has 2 fingers over the thumb. M is 3 fingers, N is 2 fingers, and A is on the outside. Next, M-N-O. Just make a circle for the letter O. P. Now in P, this picture is kind of not very, I don't think it's a very good representation of P. So let's do a K, the thumb in the middle. Now hang that upside down, P. Almost like a person walking. P for people, people is this with 2 K's or 2 P's. People. Kind of like people walking. P. Q. Just like G. Remember G? Hold your fingers like this. And we want to go upside down. Q. Q. You don't have to turn it like this. You can just, right here. Q. It shouldn't be very tense. It's just very easy. Q. Take G and go upside down. You're making a Q. R. You're going to take your fingers, cross it over, make R. Someone said like R like restroom. And this picture says rocket. Reason why I think she said restroom because it makes me think of somebody crossing their legs like, oh, I gotta use the bathroom. Bathroom. If they're crossing their legs and they're trying to hold it. R. Good. S. To make a fist for S. The thumb is on the outside. That looks very close to A. So a lot of signs that look very similar, you have to pay attention. A. This is S. Remember M and N. All very similar. S. Try to remember that. T. T is the very last finger. One finger over the thumb. Take that thumb, place it in the middle. T. Don't get it confused with M. 3 humps over the thumb. N. 2 fingers or 2 humps over the thumb. And T. 1 hump or 1 finger over the thumb. T. And then A and then S. Okay? And U. Up, up, and away. U. Pretty easy. It's like H, but up in the air. U. V. It's like the number 2, but number 2 would be like this, especially when we're counting. But we'll get to that later. This is V. 2 fingers spread apart. Vulture. W. 3 fingers up in the air, which is also another number, and it's not the number that you might think it is. But this is the letter W. Well. X. Do an X. See the X? Take the pointer finger and bend it. X. Y. It's your thumb and your pinky up. Y. It can also be a sign. A lot of signs are going to incorporate the alphabet in sign language. Z. You just draw it in the air. Z. All right, good job. You made it through the alphabet.